Good evening, guys. It's another early morning. I love the lighting in this room when it's pitch black outside. So I figured it's a good time to do another unboxing. What do I got this time? You know, this one's not going to be such a big deal because this item has been out for a couple of years, probably 6 years by now. But I'm excited because I do not own this. Have I never owned this device? Today's unboxing, which you can probably tell in the description, is the Nintendo Switch. I don't own any of these. I've never owned any of these. I played them because my little sister has one, and I'm super psyched to have my own. I got the Splatoon Special Edition in honor of Splatoon 3. I've never played Splatoon, or I don't really have an interest in getting it. I'm not going to get it, but the special edition one is pretty cool. I like the way you get a yellow controller and a purple controller, and there's extra designs and stuff. So it's all good. It's super cool looking. So look at this thing. This is the box. I've seen the first original Switch box and it was a lot bigger. So this is pretty cool that it's now, compact size, I guess. So anyway, let's get into it. I got this from Walmart. I had to get it shipped because they didn't have any nearby. This came out I think this came out the beginning of this month, September. So they've been out for a while. A lot of stores have been out of stock for a while. So let's go ahead and open this. Little thing in the back. Little thing right here. Pulled out the tab thing in the bottom. Oh, woo. It's pretty cool, man. That looks really cool. You're greeted with the Joy-Cons and the screen already. So look at these Joy-Cons. Aren't these like the coolest colors ever? And they have a really good design on them. You know, before I pick the Switch, I'm pretty particular about the stuff I buy. Like, I knew there was red and blue Joy-Cons and white Joy-Cons, and I saw the special edition one. I was like, this is cool. I want to get these things. Look at that. I love the shade. It's like a yellow to green gradient on this one, and it's like a purple to pinkish down here at the bottom. So cool. And then look at the back. Like halfway on the sides and on the back, it's like white. And it has these cool like little spots at the bottom. And by the way, I didn't mention it. The Switch I got, the Splatoon Switch, is the OLED version because I wanted the OLED. You know, OLED screens on phones, they get pitch dark. The blacks are blacks, and this is really nice. So I'm excited that when I wanted one finally, there's an OLED version, and it's really cool because the bezels are a lot smaller on the OLED version, so the screen is bigger than the original Switch, but the device is like the same size, so you can use the same Joy-Cons from the older device and stuff. But yeah, right here we got the power button. Got volume rocker up here. I'm not sure what this little button is. I don't even know if that is a button. The heat sink. Then you got the headphone jack, so that's cool. Headphones. How often do you see headphone jacks on anything these days? The game card slot, so if you buy the physical games, you can put it in here. I am going to buy a few, but mostly digital because I will lose the cartridge if I buy them. This is a nice build. I like the construction of this thing. Now they upgraded this kickstand. It used to be like a small dinky kickstand. I was playing with it the other day, the original one, and it just kept falling down on the bed even though I had the kickstand out. So I'm glad they made the kickstand the whole width of the back this time. And also look at that design. This is the Splatoon back. And then you got back here your micro SD slot. I got a 512 gigabyte coming. You never know how much space you need, and I hate to be the one that's like, oh, I paid for a 256 and now I'm out of space. I just wasted money and I gotta upgrade. You know, just to go bigger. It's not that much more anyway. So that's cool. This thing looks nice. Okay. What else is in this box? Anything else I should really care about? Okay, that comes out in one piece, just like that. Alright. The rest of the components. So you can play the TV, I'm guessing. What is this? This is one big white. Oh, okay. This is the power adapter for the dock. When you want to dock this bad boy, or just charge it in general. You know what's cool about this block? USB-C, baby. USB-C. So I have a MacBook, so if I carry the MacBook with me, I'm traveling. I'm just gonna use the same charger. I'm glad that came with it. I didn't expect this, but I guess I shouldn't be surprised that it came with an HDMI to HDMI. I mean, it probably should. I mean, some people that don't have other devices, they get this, and there better be HDMI and HDMI in there. Alright? Better be. Little lanyards that you slide on this Joy-Con, so you have like a little strap. Kind of like the Wii. Because, you know, people were throwing the... Did you remember that? Do you remember when people were throwing the... Not purposely, but they were playing bowling and stuff. They were playing Wii Sports bowling, and they would like swing it up like this, and they would throw it like...
All I do is throw that ball up in the air, and when I... Oh, jeez! And there goes the tennis racket.
No problem. Watch and learn, my friends.
That's hilarious. So this is Nintendo's way of fixing that problem, giving you these for free. And then last, well not last, there's some stuff in here. This funky looking controller thing. Slide the Joy-Cons up in here. And then you have like a controller when you're in docked mode. Dock mode is when you have the Switch in the dock connected to the TV, so it's not really next to you. It's like sitting somewhere else. I don't think I'll use this. I mean, it feels a little cramped already. I guess I'll find out when I have to use it, but I don't think I will use this because the Pro controller, I kind of like the way that looks, and I've heard it's much more preferable for a lot of games, which I plan on playing some tougher games, you know, that require fast movement. So I'm thinking about getting a Pro controller, but we'll find out when I get there. This is the last piece in the box. Okay. And I already mentioned what this could be. It is the dock. The one for the original Switch is all black. The one for the Switch OLED is all white, I believe. Well, probably the bottom is black. But look at this. This is the Splatoon edition. We got a little splat of paint right there. And I don't know if you can see it, but the white, there's a design. Hopefully you guys can see that. There's it's like a design similar to the back of the back of the Switch. It's like the same exact design, but it's on a white background. So look at that. I don't know if you can see that. But that's really nice. Some people who already have Switch OLEDs or regular Switches, I've read that they wanted to upgrade just to get this stuff, and I'm glad that this is my first Switch. Designs on the back are really cool. Really cool. So that's about it. I'm super excited to play this. I can't wait to start playing. I probably won't play in dock mode today anyway. I appreciate you coming by to watch my unboxing for the Nintendo Switch OLED Splatoon 3 edition. I would love it if you guys could comment below and let me know which games to get. I'm still trying to decide, like, I don't know what to get. There's so many indie games that I would love to try. And I don't know much about the games because I didn't have a Switch for all the years that it was out. I don't know what else. The Kirby games? I don't know. Metroid? Didn't Metroid have a Metroid Dread or something like that? Didn't they just have a game? I heard that looks cool. But yeah, if you guys can let me know what's good, that'd be great. I would love to hear about it and why you like it. Maybe some accessories I should get. Tell me what I need. Tell me what I need. That's it for now. Thanks for coming by, guys. See you in the next one.